Hello, Namaste. I am Prashant from India. Today I am going to eat here. Let's go inside.
This is 조개구이.
조개구이,
This is our menu today. 산낙지
산낙지.
and 해물라면. This is your first time too?
I didn't came here, but I go Devangam Park.
대왕은
That's it. There. Yes.
아,
But I didn't came here.
this is traditional.
Yeah, traditional Indian. It's called
India?
kurta. Yeah.
Oh, did you take this one from
Yes,
India?
yes. For wear here. This is called kurta.
굿딱.
Kurta. Yeah.
굿딱.
Yeah.
How about try this one?
Okay. We'll try. You want to try?
Actually, I don't want.
Okay.
How was it?
It's okay. Good.
Good?
It's tastes like sprout, you know, like this.
숙주! 숙주 말하는 거죠?
It tastes like that.
Yeah? No.
Yes.
더우니까 요거 먼저 나왔어요.
This one is wasabi.
Oh yes, very spicy. You have to be careful because it's stuck.
Good.
You guys don't eat the raw thing?
No, this is first time.
First time? But you came here last year.
Last year, but I didn't eat.
Why?
I eat like raw fish, but it's not this one.
아 진짜요? You know this sauce?
This one spicy.
Yeah, this one is spicy. Most Korean dipping this sauce because this is very traditional thing. 진짜 맛있다. What is your best?
This one.
This one? Very sour made. We have three kind of style to eat. One of is put in kimchi, and this one
Tomato ketchup.
no, this one
Chili sauce.
yes, and last one is only cheese. You like it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you like it? The called in Korea garibi.
Karimi.
It's good.
This tastes like omelette. Omelette.
You know, here is the Donggu. Donggu have so many beach in here. So Donggu provide, you know, paddle boat.
Pedal boat. Yeah, I know.
You know, it's free, but only for August.
This is going overcook.
Oh.
You can eat.
어, 네.
I only want meat.
어니언밤. 어니언밤. 어쩐지 다 타더라니.
어. 매워서 괜찮을라나?
매운 거 진짜 잘 드세요.
그래요? 이거 뜨거우니까 조금만 있다가 요걸로 이렇게 싹 돌려갖고 오케이?
Not that bad.
Good.
This is scallop gratin.
Scallop. Okay.
아니 뭐라 말하냐? 별미 이런 거 뭐라 말하냐? 별미. 스페셜 푸드. 진짜 맛있는데?
Do you like ramen?
Ramen,
No?
I eat 2-3 times, but not that much like this food.
Because I ordered that too.
Yeah, it's okay. I can try.
I know that Indian ramen,
Maggi, they call
Maggi?
Maggi, yeah.
that is spicy.
Yes, spicy.
I like that one. Where did you learn?
Here, in Korean. You want more? Oh, it's okay. One
Oh, one more? One more.
for you only.
Yeah, one more.
Okay.
In Korea, so many cheese. I want to teach you some.
Okay.
It means the best time is now.
Ah, yeah, now sir.
청춘은 바로 지금. Equal 청바지. Yeah, no, it's the best time is now. This is pretty. How to say in thank you in India?
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
Yeah.
धन्यवाद. How was your food today?
Food is good. I really enjoy all seafood. So fresh and it's delicious. I tried first time, and in future also I will try this food, and this delicious and healthy too. Thank you. 잘 먹었습니다.